Oh, there's a fucking baby.
A baby?
Yes, sir.
A baby?
Hey, there's a solar panel.
I have 2 already.
Oh, there's another one.
There's a bunch of fucking light bulbs too, boys.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't hold the other solar panel.
Oh, look at that axe.
Timmy, come try to pick one of these up.
There's a firefighter axe that I got now, dog.
Oh, dude. Oh.
Where'd you get a firefighter axe at? Oh, right there.
Alright, so I say we go back to base, push it away, and come back here and get more of the solar panels, because we're going to need those.
Well, we know the solar panels are here now. We both have fucking, what, 2 apiece?
I have 2, yeah.
I got 2.
Well, I got 3, never mind. But we should be good on solar panels.
Hey, oh, I should have 3 then as well. Yeah, no, I got 2. I can only hold 2.
Is that all that's here?
Yep, the key card was the main, like, oh, there's...
Yeah, I got you.
The key card was the main thing here.
We need to get electric going to our base, boys.
That's what I've been trying to do. I got something started.
Oh, dude, monkey people. They're gonna get to taste my new fucking axe. I'm chasing them down. Yeah, bitch. Where you run to, bitch?
Wait, where was that bunker at?
I would go there with you, but I need to drop shit off at the base so I can keep holding shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta drop shit off too, but I'm trying to figure out where this was. Pretty sure it was.
Doesn't it show it on the map since we've been there? Maybe? I'm guessing. Just assuming. Really. Yeah, so the armor doesn't last very long.
I didn't think.
It's like you get one hit and it blocks damage or makes you resistant to a certain amount of the damage or whatever.
For 1 hit.
Yeah. For each piece of armor too, so like one armor is worth only 1 hit and it's gone. You are cold and wet. Thank you, game. Right my brother knows.
You went too far, Marcus.
Oh,
Yeah.
fuck.
Yeah.
Oh god. Cannibals.
Good luck, brother. We're far away now.
Come back. Baby, come back.
Come back.
Man, I'm gonna respawn in the base if I die. Respawn back there, I think.
Oh, that you will. Okay. Oh, you guys got more storage going on here?
I wonder how Fireman's axe does.
I mean, you can look at this. Actually.
Oh no, I respawned at a camp. Let me walk, motherfuckers. Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta get me. No, you gotta come get me. I'm tied up.
You just
It
hold
won't even
wait.
Oh wait. Hold on. I can cut myself out.
Yeah, there should be a knife on the ground and you just hold E.
Oh fuck. These motherfuckers trying to get me.
Yeah, dude, they're
Touch
after
me.
you. They're after you. No. In a certain way.
I'm dead again. There's up like I'm spawning in a cannibal camp. Oh fuck.
Sounds like you're alright.
Forward, buddies.
I see how it is. Y'all can come get your boy. It's cool. It's cool.
Bro.
We're coming, dog.
We did say we were going to base, and you just stood there and
What do you
auto
mean? I ran with you guys.
Yeah, we on our way. We on our way.
My fucking bag.
Alright, I'm making more storage that we need.
You guys back the fuck up. Away from me. Oh, there's a big dude. Fuck that. There's a dude with a fucking billy club.
We coming.
Oh,
we
you gotta
coming.
touch me.
Big dude, huh?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he ain't happy with me. Listen, I got a small army following me right now.
Hells yes, dude.
And there's stuff back there, but I don't have time to see what's in the camp. There's crates back there.
Yeah.
Yeah, then you gotta rework the wire. Yeah, I don't know how the wire works very well, though.
I can put it on this house.
Yeah, well, we'll need lights everywhere, so fucking hook it up.
How do you do the wiring?
You get wire out in your hand, and then you work it, or you go to the solar panel to start it, and then you work it whatever way it'll allow you, or whatever way it works. It's hard to
It's not letting me
explain.
do anything with it. I'm just sitting here clicking, hoping.
Let me put that in there. Oh well. There we go.
How do you put the light bulb on?
You hold it just like you did the wire, and then should just let you put it on.
That's a negatory, buddy.
I got it to work. Electricity.
Alright, mate, am I now?
Alright, let's see what you got going on here.
Oh, there we go.
Electricity. Oh, nice. That'd be awesome if you could get that. How many do you need? You got 2? I got an extra one. I'll do 3.
Oh, hold on, let's see. He might not need 3. Oh, I don't.
There you go.
Oh, yeah, we need 3.
I
One
got-
per light bulb.
I got one on there. Nice,
Oh,
dog.
dude. That's what I'm walking. Oh, bad.
Yeah, dude.
Shit's fucking coming along.
Yes, sir.
We can put something inside the house too.
Well, I don't know how to get the wires
Well, Send me
inside.
back.
Huh?
Timmy's not back. I think I might go back to that fucking place and get the other
Other
solar
ones?
panel.
Yeah, that's probably smart.
Yeah, while he's gone, might as well.
But clear up this firewood mess here. Put them in the pile so they're not just laying around.
You goddamn right, baby. And you know what else it does? Stops your muscles from being ate away if you don't eat as much food.
Hey Riley, did you take down the wires?
What's up?
Did you take down the wires?
Uh-uh.
All the wires disappeared.
Huh. Are they still in inventory? There's still a bunch in here.
No. That's weird.
Yeah, I don't have them. There's inside the shelf though. This shelf and the one inside has a bunch.
So there is a wire running right there. I wonder. See the wires running down. Oh, let me connect to them.
The people don't remember you. That's not what I wanted.
Our place does look good though.
Yep, not too shabby.
Not too shabby, not too shabby.
I need some water. Then do you guys want to go check out this other cave? The key card?
Maybe. I'm trying to see if I can make it to where we can put a light on the bridge. I don't know though, it's gonna be rough. I don't know if we're gonna be able to, because I can't even put a roof on this hill. Oh, no, Riley, how do we put a roof on to the bridge? You would know.
You want to put,
Rope. Oh, I figured it out.
Alright, you got it. You doing like another bridge up there?
Yeah,
as a
so we
roof?
can put, as a roof, and then we can put, see if you can put a fucking,
Rope?
yeah, no, not rope. See if you can put a, solar panel on the bridge right here.
I don't have one. They're on top of the house. On top of the bridge, like on the ground?
Well, on the floor, once we have a floor up there. If not, at least we have a roof to our bridge.
Yeah.
But I'm trying to get to where we can have 2 lights on each side of the bridge. And then make our shit look nice.
Gotcha.
Ah! I'm making around with my reality. I hope now and why. And around with my. Hey, what's up, Timmy? What you doing, bud?
Cut trees down.
I just threw up a frog. Oh. Did you test out the... Did you test out the solar panel, bro?
I have to get it. Hold on. If I can get up there. There we go. Got it. Made it.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, this firefighter axe is so much better.
Oh yeah, dude. She gets it.
Alright, I have some. Where am I trying to put it? Up there with you?
Well, I mean, you could try to put it on the ground down there just to see if you can.
No.
No?
No.
Damn.
Yeah, nothing.
Oh, I
Dude.
see what you're doing, Timmy. That's gangster.
Sure.
Yeah. Oh, you did it. Oh yeah, skeleton lantern, dude. Oh yeah, you can pull one over there. Oh yes, man. Oh, oh.
The hell?
Christ, jeez.
The hell is that?
Nope. She dropped the fuck out. Alright. Open up the demon in the mail. Oh, so much logs. I'll help you, Timmy. So what are we doing here, Tim? So I don't fuck up
I was
here.
just connecting it
Oh,
to the
yeah.
bridge. Kinda. Not like I was trying not to connect it like
All the way.
all. Yeah.
So you want a little run, like you want to be able to have a little runway, so if people do come in, we'll see them.
Yeah.
Gotcha, dude. Say, would you give it to me? Gotcha, I'm picking up what you're putting in me, dude.
Because then we can funnel them in, put traps down.
Changes, living with these changes. Timber! Yeah, you gotta yell that every time, don't you know?
Oh shit.
What the hell happened to you, dude? You dead, bro?
Not cool, dude.
Oh. Yeah, I didn't know how to pick those up. I didn't mean to put them there.
I got you. You're good, you're good. Good shit's coming along. Alright, so we're leaving it like that. We're not gonna connect it the rest of the way. Now we gotta fucking run away. Alright, come on.
If we're gonna build another bridge, we could connect it all the way.
Are we building another bridge, boys?
I don't know, I just seen you threw the other post up or whatever.
I don't know.
Are you able to make a... Well, there's only one way to find out.
Yeah, we're gonna do it if we can, bro. Alright, get more wood, Tim. We're fucking testing the theory now.
Can you do... like that? Nah, because that's going down. And you can't go straight there. Can you go straight here? Okay. You can't go straight there, though. So for anything...
There we go. I did it, Riley.
Alright, so you got it.
Yes, sir.
So what, we doing another rope?
I guess so, boys.
Guess let's do her.
What you started, Timmy. Now we're just building shit. Getting it out here. You said the trees grow back if we leave the stumps, Tim?
Yep.
Do they?
Yeah.
I did not know that.
Bye-bye, log. I like how Timmy came up with this idea and he's just standing there.
And me, the motherfucker.
Fucking asshole. Oh, dude, we're losing actual fucking logs down the river. They're floating, dude. There's 3 still in there and they're floating down river. Hurry up, boys. We're fucking losing time. Get the fucking logs.
Oh,
Up forever now, dude.
Fuck.
Nah, you're stuck forever, dude. Now we have to do another top, though.
Nah, here's the thing. Aren't we able just to do a regular ceiling instead of another bridge?
I mean, can we? I have no idea.
I'm almost certain we could.
Oh, we'll see what that looks like. It might look better.
We don't need this. So start taking that shit off.
It's gonna be hard to figure out how to make the steps for this. Since they're, you do it? Oh, maybe. Nah, I think we're gonna need like an actual log. Let's see if an actual log will do it. Nah, I don't. Well. Nah, yeah, I don't know. It's gonna be hard to make actual steps for that. Alright. Maybe if I go sideways, and shit, or cockeyed and shit. I don't know. Maybe, bro. I don't know, bro. Got an actual log? Damn, no. I was like, well, there goes the new bridge. We got so much wood everywhere.
oh. I don't know. I mean, it's something, I guess.
What's up, bro? Ooh, we might be able to. Yeah, right here, Timmy. Boom. Look, we did it. See?
Hell yeah.
But the thing is now is yeah, we gotta. Now we got the same problem over here, though. Dude, we got so many logs downriver, boys.
We're building a dam.
What the hell are you doing, Riley? Oh, fuck all my hard work.
It's alright, dude. It's alright, dude. Everything's fine, dude.
Last time I helped.
That's funny. Is there a way just to take the rake off?
Hey, I don't know what the fuck we're gonna do with all these split in half logs either.
We still need him.
Allegedly. Allegedly we still need them.
Yeah, we do. I just need full logs to see if this will work, but I can't have those there to rightly see.